The video of this truck driver has gone viral around the world. Why? Well, take a good look at it. It's about to achieve a real feat. You see, the lane on the right is for cars, and they drive on it calmly, but the truck moves over to the left lane, and even hugs the left edge as much as possible. And no, it's not completely crazy, there's a reason why it does this. And you'll understand when you see it. The truck signals right and moves forward while hugging the line as much as possible. It moves calmly, taking its time, and yes, there's a tunnel ahead. Watch what it can do thanks to this maneuver. It retracts the last moment and manages to pass through perfectly, something it wouldn't have been able to do if it had stayed on the normal lane. It's amazing.